Life insurance for truck drivers. It's easy to understand why a truck driver would wonder about how life insurance is affected by their occupation. Truck driving is exhausting and often can be a dangerous business. Surprisingly, there is not much to worry about when it comes to being a truck driver and life insurance approval. Most life insurance companies don't view this occupation as hazardous. However, where you can run into is if the truck driving lifestyle has caught up to you. In summary, here is what you need to know about life insurance as a trucker. You can get life insurance at great rates. Your overall health will play a huge role in the type of rate that you get. Companies will look into multiple factors to determine your qualification. That's the short of it. Your best bet is to give us a call and let us do all the shopping for you. You can get started by comparing quotes by using the quote engine to your right. If you insist on learning more, let's discuss everything you can look forward to during the process and some helpful tips to guide you along the way. But life insurance carriers want to know. The life insurance process is fairly simple. There is an application followed by a medical exam and underwriting process. During this underwriting process, the life insurance companies will do some digging to see if you qualify to coverage and what at what rate. The factors that will determine the rates are your health, including medical exam result, your medical history, your family history, background, driving record, felonies, etc. Build lifestyle. For the most part, just truck driving would not affect your rate. However, some companies will want you to detail certain aspect of your life, especially if you drive under dangerous condition. Let your agent do this part of for you so they can put you with the right company. Truck driver health. I know you are probably happy to hear that your job would not disqualify you for coverage. However, if you fit the typical truck driver stereotype, then you can probably expect a rate up. I have worked with many truck drivers throughout my career, and most are not in tip top health. The job is exhausting, causes a lot of stress, on the go food, and long hours of sitting. Not to mention the busy schedule makes it hard to visit the doctor on time. This can cause a lot of weight gain or health issues, which, as we mentioned above, are huge determining factor for your rate class. So far, out of all the truck drivers I have worked with, I had one anomaly who took care of herself on the road. She exercised, she ate right, and she stayed healthy, and she was the only one out of the dozens. So, if you know you are the truck driver of truck drivers, you probably should not expect preferred rates. Your options. Basically, you will be at a fork in the road, pun intended. Let's discuss the two best options that you have. No exam coverage. One of your option is a no exam life insurance policy. This would be a simplified issue life insurance. So there will still be underwriting, meaning they will look into all your record. You will just be skipping the medical exam portion of the application process. The upside to this is it would fit your busy schedule, so you would not have to stop for the medical exam. Another upside is the underwriting speed is significantly faster. A simplified issues coverage can be approved within days compared to a traditional which can take a few weeks. So that all sound good, but what's the catch? The drawbacks of no exam coverage is that it can be more expensive and has a limited coverage amount. Most companies will limit you at $250,000 and most at $4 lakh. You also have to be fairly healthy to qualify. Traditional coverage. The other and more recommended option is a traditional life insurance product. This will be a life insurance policy of your choice with the medical exam administered and typical underwriting. With this, you can get any coverage amount you would like and at better rates. Even if you get rated up for a unfavorable medical exam result, it will still be cheaper or in the same range as a no exam policy. Plus, there are also steps you can take to ace the medical exam. You could read more about that here. Know that No, all that is left for you to decide is whether you need a term life or permanent product. This will depend on your goals with the coverage. Are your life insurance need permanent or temporary? How much can you afford? And what is the purpose of the policy? Let us do the thinking for you when it comes to this.